Alright, we're in Sanibel. We went to dinner, stopped by Westland Inn for a drink, and checked out the beach, our favorite beach. It's very impressive, very slow tide right now. Lots of shells, so many shells. Don't know what to look at. Let's see, Robert has a handful. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Get out of the shell pile.
Oh, sorry. It's very bossy when he's had a fruity, uplifting drink. That was a little Grover-ish. What? Thank you. An olive, thank you. There's a spiral. Ooh, that's a nice one. I think I'm in the shadow. I gotta flip around. The shadow is not working in my favor.
Driving the vehicle.
I think I have to be driving the vehicle. It's a very strong, fruity, uplifting drink.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. What about 10 minutes?
I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm driving back to the room. It's fine. I'll drive back to the room. We're not going that far.
I know what I'm saying.
I know, Robert. I know.
Quite the feast of shells.
We picked the wrong hotel, that's for sure.
Yeah. Unless I catch like a 80-pound tarpon.
No, I'm just kidding. We do like South Seas, but after this experience, we definitely prefer Sanibel over Captiva.
You want to cut off spiral?
Sure. Thank you, honey. Alright, switch me. You're in my shadow. You're in my shadow. Now you're in my shadow. But that's okay, because I'm recording. So that makes me more important.
I don't think so. It's my birthday.
It is your birthday.
It makes me more important.
You're right. It does make you more important. My pants are gonna fall off. I'm bending down too much. I'm not wearing the proper Sanibel shorts. Oh, got a nice little breeze. You can tell these have too much to drink. You just walk right past that. Lots of scallops here. Wish I would have worn your hat. My hair is blowing in my face. Lots of shells.
Yes.
That's the West Wind Inn. Just checking out the beach to see what we missed by staying on Captiva. And apparently we missed a lot. Look at all these shells. So many shells. Alright, this is Sanibel. August 2020. I highly recommend the West Wind Inn. It's my favorite beach so far.